Hello, students. I hope you all are doing well and, of course, staying safe. My name is Suhana Ghosh, and on our very long journey of learning about English grammar, more precisely studying about parts of speech, today I'm here to teach you about prepositions. So let us not waste any more time and dive right in. Okay? Just give me a second. Okay, now that the notification is gone, let us go ahead and study about prepositions today. So, what exactly are prepositions? Let us define it. Prepositions are words that we use before nouns or pronouns to show their relationship with words in a sentence. So, how exactly does that happen? Let us take a few examples to understand that deeply. Now, the first sentence, I am sitting on a chair. The word that is underlined, chair, is actually a noun. Now, the words that are there before it are actually showing some sort of relationship that is happening. Like, what is the sentence? I am sitting on a chair. So, what is the relationship between me and the chair? Is that I am sitting on it. So, the word on would be a preposition. Now, the second sentence, I am walking to her. Now, what is the relationship happening over here? What is happening in this sentence? I am walking to her. So the word to is connecting me and the other person, her, who is over there. So the word to will be a preposition. Here the word her is a pronoun. Now let us go ahead and understand the types of prepositions. There are prepositions of location, direction, and time. And today we will be studying all three of it. Okay, I hope you all are ready. So let's go ahead and study our first type. Our first type is prepositions of location. Now, where are these prepositions used? What are they exactly? Let us understand. Prepositions of location are used to indicate the locations or position of objects. For example, we'll just take a few words over here which are considered as prepositions of location. The words being on, in, under, in front of, among, between are actually prepositions that are used to show the location of any particular object or a thing, right? Now see, now there's words like on and under on your in front of your screen, right? So what does the first image show? An apple is kept on the table. Am I right? On the table. So it gives you a location where your object is placed. Now the second image says under. So what is happening in that image? The apple is kept under the table. It is under the table. So under will be a preposition. Let us see another one. In front of. Now what is happening in this image? The first boy is standing behind the second boy, right? Even behind is your location preposition, but here it says in front of. So the boy that is standing behind will be the second boy. So the second boy is standing in front of the first boy, right? In front of will be a preposition. There are many more examples over here with images so that you can understand. For example, the first image says against. Now, against exactly, the boy is standing against the wall, right? And the second image says inside or in. What is happening over there? The boy is entering inside the house or entering in the house. So those words will be prepositions of location. See, now here's some proper understanding for the word against. Against means next to and touching on upright surface for support. How is it used in a sentence? The boy is leaning against the wall. Then second one, I'm leaning against the whiteboard. And the last one, don't lean against the wall. It's just been painted. So the word against is used like this in the sentence. And it is your preposition of location. Right. There are many more words with images over here so that you can understand. Like the big dog is in between the small dogs or puppies, you can say that as well. Basically, anything that is in between also tells you the location. And then the last one is among. I'm amongst my group of friends. So the word among will be a preposition of location. There are many more here, like beside, behind. Remember when I told you about the two boys that were standing in a line? The first boy was standing in front of the second boy. The second boy was standing behind the first boy. That's how the word will be used in a sentence. Now let us understand prepositions of direction. How are they used? What are they? We'll understand this over here. Prepositions of direction are used to show direction of movement to and from a fixed point. Then what is the difference in a location? Location will basically show you where a particular object is kept. Is it in front, behind, beside, against, right? But direction will actually talk about the movement, like from this place to this place. How did you go? What is that word called? So those kind of prepositions or words come under prepositions of direction. Examples would be to, from, into, along, over, through, across, and around. Right? So let us understand that. Now here is an image over here. What does it say? I am walking to school. So where am I walking? I am walking to school. So the word to will be your preposition of direction. Okay. Now let's see the second image. Richard came into the room. Again, it is giving you some sense of direction. Where exactly did Richard come into the room? Right? In which way did he go? Like inside or outside? Where did he go? He came into the room. He came inside. So the word into will be your preposition of direction. It shows direction. Which way did he go? Again, into. Now the word into is actually explained over here, and there are some examples on how this word is used. So motion or movement. For example, the cat jumped into the box, right? Into the box. Where did it fall? Inside the box or into the box? Second sentence, the ball fell into the river. The third sentence, she poured some boiling water into the teapot. And the last one, the man threw rubbish into the river. So the word into is used like this in the sentence. And it basically tells you that something that happened, like any action or motion or any movement that was happening into or rather inside, right? Let us see another sentence. She has returned from town. So the word returned from will be your preposition of direction. Let us see some more. The sentence says, they walked along, like the houses are here, and they walked along with the row of houses. There are many more examples down. There's one more example down below, and there are many more ahead. The second example talks about there are many gift shops along Jalan Chowkit. So basically, there are many gift shops around this particular place called as Jalan Chowkit, right? Just give me 1 minute. Okay. So now that we understood location, now let us go ahead and see the other sentence. The boys ran across the road. So the word across will be a preposition of direction. As you can see in the image, you can understand what exactly did they do. They ran across the road and there's one car coming over there, which you should never do. Unless and until the car has passed, please stand on the footpath. Wait for the car to pass, or else wait for the red light, the traffic signal red light to be there so that you can walk over it, right? Good. Again, now there's the word across explained. Across means on the opposite side. So if I am over here, as you can see on my screen, and you might be watching it on your phone or laptop or computer. So I am across the screen from you, right? I'm on the opposite side. So here are some more examples. The boy swam across the pond, right? The word across is used like that. Siti is walking across the road. And the last example, Ali walked across the river by using the old bridge. So the word across is used like this in the sentence. There's many more examples actually. See, there's another one. They are running around the tree. How is the direction happening? Around, right? See, now around is also explained. Around means moving in a circle. You see my action that I'm making, round, around. So so it's basically moving in a circle, right? So there's another example. The cat ran around the stool chasing the mouse. I know you all are thinking about Tom and Jerry and how they kept running here and there, where Tom was busy catching Jerry, right? So this is exactly how it is. Like if there's a stool kept, the cat is running and so is the mouse, like that. Round, round, round. Correct? Now let us see some more examples. Okay. What is it saying over here? Tim jumped over the fence. Over as in like upar se gaya, right? Okay. So Tim jumped over the fence. So the word over will be a preposition of direction. There's some more example over here. The boy jumped over the fence, right? The boy jumped over the fence. And then the second sentence is the cat leaps over the drain. So the direction is actually over. Like you're passing over through something. Like if there is this road and there's some sort of pothole. So you won't walk on the pothole, right? You will walk over it. You will try to cross that place by not stepping on it. So that is what it means to walk over. And that is how it is used in a sentence. Now see, there's some more examples for you. The bird flew in through the window. Now this is telling you from exactly where did the bird flew in. Like, where did the bird fly in actually? Like, did it go through the window? Did it go over the window? Right? So here they are talking about it went through the window. So the word through will be your preposition of direction. There's some more examples here. Ali kicked the ball through the window. Again, similar like the bird. Then another one. Amir threw the rubbish through the window. Right? So again, these kids are just throwing everything through the window. You can throw it through the door as well, right? Just try to keep your rubbish in the right place. Don't dirty your surroundings. Okay. Now, finally, let us see the last preposition type, which is called as prepositions of time. Now, what is it? What are the examples? Let us all see it, right? Prepositions of time are used to show things, to show when the things happen. It basically tells you the time. When is it happening, right? Let us see the examples. By, for, before, after, since, at, and during. Let us see some more examples. Let us see how it is used in a sentence and try to understand how exactly are they called prepositions of time. Now some more examples for you here. Like as you can see in this image, like so many things are happening, right? Now there are kids sitting over there. There's something kept on the chair, if you can see. There's something below the sofa. There's something on top of the sofa. There's something beside the sofa, right? So this picture basically contains a lot of prepositions for you. And I want you to find some and tell me which one is it. And as for prepositions of time, like the words that are used over there, by, for, before, after, since, at, and during, they are used in sentences just to remind you when is it happening. Like I have a lecture before 3:30. So the word before would be your preposition of time. It is actually telling you like at what frame of time will it be happening, whether it will happen before or after. Now for the same sentence, I'll say I have a lecture or I have a class after 5:30. Right? So I'm basically telling you that after this time, I will be free. And the other words are also used in the sentences like that. I hope you all understood it. And I want everyone to do this homework. I want you all to give me as many prepositions as you can from this image over here. And I'll meet you in another video talking about another parts of speech. And I hope we all have a good time learning about it. So thank you very much, guys. Bye. Take care of yourself and stay safe.